Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some questions, some more type of questions of polynomials related to roots of the polynomials or zeros of the polynomials. Okay, so here is our first one. Find the roots of the given polynomial. A polynomial is given, f of x is equal to this much, and we have to find the roots of the given polynomial. Okay. So we will solve this question by using hit and try method. What is this method? We will put value of x, some values of x, and then calculate the value of f of x. If it is equal to 0, then the assumed value is root of the given polynomial, otherwise it is not a root. Okay. So one more thing, it is a cubic polynomial as the highest power of the variable is 3. It means this equation will have 3 roots. Okay, what is the degree of the polynomial? Number of roots. Remember one thing, number of roots or zeros of any polynomial is always equal to degree of the polynomial. Okay, what is degree of a polynomial? That we had already discussed in previous videos, so you can learn it there. For now, we will calculate 3 roots of the given polynomial. So we will start putting values. If x is equal to 1, we will put 1 here. F of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 plus 6. What you will get? 1 plus 1 ka square 1 into 6, 6, 11 into 1, 11 plus 6. These all will get added and you will get 6 plus 6, 12 and 12, 24. F of 1 is 24. Therefore, 1 is not a root of given polynomial. Okay, now we will put x is equal to minus 1. This is hit and trial method. हम x की कुछ values assume करेंगे and then we will calculate the value of given polynomial at x is equal to any assumed value. So now we will calculate f of minus 1. It means put minus 1 in place of x. So जो polynomial था हमारा, that was x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. We'll put minus 1 here. Minus 1 का cube plus 6 into minus 1 का square plus 11 into minus 1 and plus 6. Now calculate minus 1 का cube, ये हमें मिलेगा minus 1 plus 6 into minus 1 का square, that will be plus 1, 11 into minus 1, that will be minus 11 and plus 6. So it will be minus 1 plus 6 minus 11 plus 6. Now plus 6 and plus 6 will become 12 and minus 1 minus 11 will also become minus 12. These will get cancelled out. It is equal to 0. It means since f of minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore minus 1 is a root of given polynomial. Root of given polynomial f of x. Okay, in the similar manner we will put now more values. Now we will put x is equal to 2, then x is equal to minus 2, and we'll do the same thing. So here you notice one thing, if we keep putting positive values, हम कोई भी positive value रखेंगे, so polynomial में कोई भी negative sign नहीं है, we are putting positive values, तो this जो भी हमारा रिजल्ट मिलेगा पॉलिनोमियल का एट एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2, 3 एंड इवन हायर वैल्यूज, इट विल ऑलवेज गेट इंक्रीज्ड. ओके, बिकॉज नेगेटिव साइन है नहीं कहीं, सो नथिंग विल गेट कैंसल्ड आउट, so that it may become 0. इट मीन्स कोई भी पॉजिटिव वैल्यू गिवन पॉलिनोमियल एफ ऑफ एक्स का रूट नहीं हो सकती है. सो दैट इज द रीज़न वी आर नाउ पुटिंग एक्स इज इक्वल टू -2. ओके, so this was our f of x. Now we are going to put x is equal to -2. So it will become f of -2 is equal to x की प्लेस में -2 का होल क्यूब प्लस 6 इंटू -2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 11 इंटू -2 प्लस 6. So -2 का क्यूब विल बी -8 प्लस 6 इंटू -2 का स्क्वायर 4, 11 इंटू -2 that is -22 plus 6. Now -8 plus 6 into 4 24 minus 22 plus 6. Again add positive values, so 24 plus 6 will be 30 and -8 minus 22 will be -30 and these will get cancelled out and you will get 0. So f of -2 is also equal to 0. Therefore we can say -2 is a root of f of x. Okay, now similar manner में you will put x is equal to -3. So now it is your homework. Put x is equal to -3 and tell me the result in comment section whether f of -3 is equal to 0 or not. Okay, so ठीक है, अब हम देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इफ x is equal to -1/2 is a zero of the polynomial p of x. Some polynomial is given and a zero of this polynomial -1/2 is given. So we have to find the value of a. A is here in the polynomial. So we know if we put this -1/2 in the given polynomial equation, then this p of x will be equal to 0 since it is a zero of the polynomial. So what will we do? We will put x is equal to -1/2 in place of x in the given polynomial and equate it to the 0. Then calculate a. Okay, let us see by solving this. 8x cube minus ax square minus x plus 2 is equal to 8 into x की प्लेस में हम पुट करेंगे -1/2 होल क्यूब माइनस a इंटू एक्स की प्लेस में अगेन -1/2 होल स्क्वायर, दिस माइनस साइन एंड x की वैल्यू -1/2 प्लस 2. ओके, नाउ सॉल्व. 8 इंटू क्यूब ऑफ -1/2, सो -1 का क्यूब होगा -1 एंड 2 का क्यूब होगा 8 माइनस a इंटू स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस थिंग, सो वी विल गेट -1 का स्क्वायर +1 एंड 2 का स्क्वायर 4, माइनस एंड माइनस +1/2 प्लस 2. So this 8 and 8 will be cancelled out. We will get -1 here minus a/4 plus. We can take LCM for these two terms. So if we write 1 here, the LCM will be 2. So 1 will be same and this 2 and 2 will be multiplied and we will get 4. One more thing, since हमने x की वैल्यू -1/2 पुट की है, सो p of x is equal to 0 क्योंकि -1/2 is a zero of the polynomial. It is given in the question. Now 0 is equal to -1 minus a/4 plus 5/2. Now this a/4 we will shift it to the left hand side. It is negative, so here it will become positive. a/4 is equal to -1 plus 5/2. Again we will take LCM, so if we write 1 here, what will we get? It is a/4, LCM is 2 again, and minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2 and plus 5. A by 4 is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3 by 2. Now we will cross multiply, so it will become 2a is equal to 3 into 4 and a is equal to 3 into 4 divided by 2. So this will be cancelled out and 3 into 2 is 6. So from here we are getting a value of a, that is 6, and that will be our answer. Okay, so in this type of question जहाँ पे आपको एक ज़ीरो given है, we will just put that value in place of x and solve the equation and we will get our result. Okay, let us see one more question. Here is our next question. If x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1 are the roots of the polynomial. Now एक पॉलिनोमियल गिवन है हमें, यहाँ पे दो वैल्यूज़ हैं a एंड b एंड दो रूट्स भी गिवन है हमें. फर्स्ट रूट है 0 एंड सेकेंड रूट है माइनस 1. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड b. सेम क्वेश्चन है एज प्रीवियस वन, बट ओनली डिफरेंस इज वहाँ सिंगल रूट गिवन था तो हमें सिंगल a वैल्यू फाइंड करनी थी. यहाँ दो रूट्स गिवन है, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड बोथ a एंड b. वी विल डू द सेम थिंग. We will first put 0 in place of x and will equate the polynomial to 0. Then repeat the procedure with x is equal to minus 1. Then we will get our result. Okay, let us see. F of x given है 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. So at x is equal to 0. x की प्लेस में 0, f of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 plus a into 0 plus b. f of 0 will be equal to 0 since 0 is a root of the polynomial. These all things will be 0 and b. So b की वैल्यू हमें मिल गई 0. Alright, एक वैल्यू मिल गई हमें. नाउ वी विल पुट minus 1 in place of x. So let us do the same. At x is equal to minus 1. Now we will put minus 1 in place of x. So f of इस इक्वेशन में हम वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. f of minus 1 is equal to 2 into x cube, that is minus 1 का whole cube minus 3 into x square, that is minus 1 का whole square plus a into minus 1 plus a into minus 1 plus b. f of minus 1 will be equal to 0 as minus 1 is a root of the given equation. Now 2 into minus 1 का cube minus 1 ही रहेगा. minus 3 into minus 1 का square will be plus 1. a into minus 1 will be minus a and b की value we have already calculated 0. So plus 0. It will be 0 is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus a. Okay. Now shift a to the left hand side. Here it is negative. So जब ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आएगा it will become positive is equal to minus 2 and minus 3 will be minus 5. So here we are getting value of a, that is minus 5. Okay, so we obtained our result. A is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to 0. Okay, so these was the type of questions which are asked in exams, or you can say important from exam point of view. So that's it for today. अब मैं आपसे मिलूँगी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ, दैट इज़ रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. सो स्टे कनेक्टेड फॉर रिमाइंडर थ्योरम एंड तब तक क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करिए. अगर कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछिए, और हाँ, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए सो दैट जब भी नेक्स्ट वीडियो आए आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. ओके, तो थैंक यू. मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में.